Switch on the display by pressing the blue on-off button. The fans and refrigeration will start after 30 seconds. To turn the display lighting on, press the gray light button. The display has a preset operating temperature of 2 degrees. To view this, press the set button. After 10 seconds, the display will reset to show the current temperature. To stop the operating temperature being altered by staff, press and hold both the up and down arrows together until the display flashes POF. To undo the operating temperature lock, press and hold both the up and down arrows together until the display flashes PON. To switch off the display, press the on-off button until the display flashes off.